Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon or a website. If it's a website, I'll leave the link down below. And if it's a normal Amazon, I'll leave my affiliate down below. So check them out. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe and staying warm. We shall see what this is. Here we go. Alright, we got a double one. Thank you guys over at SOFRIN for sending me these two. We got the C28 and the C29. 2800 lumens, 223 throw distance. I want to throw it, but okay. And this is a 3,142 meters. USB Type-C, IP68, waterproof. SOFRIN. One's a little bigger. Here's the specs. It is rechargeable EDC flashlight, perfect for indoor use and outdoor activities like camping, hiking, fishing, and hunting. Powerful LED. Alright, we'll try this one out first and see what it does. And like I said, all I gotta do, if they're on Amazon, I'm pretty sure they're also on Amazon. So I'll leave both links. And you guys could check them out, compare the prices. Oh, alright, this is pretty cool. This is how you open. So if you know like any hunters, you know, birthday gifts, stocking stuffers, Valentine's Day is coming up, so it's always good to have a flashlight in your car also, or in your vehicle, just in case. You never know. You got the USB right here. We got a lantern. Oh boy. We got a lantern. So you can take it with you. Just gotta hook it through it. Some kind of rubber. Maybe for the waterproof sealer. Here is the main thing. Snip this off. There we go. Nice compact size. Don't mind the Sharpie on my finger. Sarin SC28. Whoa. Might need to be turned on. Here's the USB right there. Here we go. You can just pop this thing back in. I wonder if it, oh, and there's a lock and unlock. Hold on. I figured it out. Alright, this has got a twist off right here. And there's a little thing. Oh, alright, took it off for the battery, the connector. So now it should work. It's a pretty big battery. Jesus. Shove it back in there. And now whoa. It's gonna be really hot, so make sure you don't point it at animals or stuff like that. Don't be cruel to the animals, but this thing is Superman bright. But it is hot, so be careful. Look at that. And then all you gotta do is with the lantern is somehow shimmy it through. Like so. There we go. See, now you got that all ready to go. Yeah, definitely. You can see dark. This is definitely a nice flashlight. Really dark. There's a globe. And now we're going to try the other ones out. There we go. Now this is the SC29. Well, yeah, really impressed with these flashlights so far. It's gonna have the same thing, that USB. Yep. Oh, this is nice too. Should have the charging kit or the USB cable. Come on. It's empty. And the same thing. And with the same thing, you gotta do. Oh, this looks nicer though. A lot smoother. See, there's a little sticker right there. Just get it out of there. Now it should be good to go. S29. Oh yeah. This one seems a lot brighter. Still hot too, so be careful. Whoa. USB's on this side this time. There we go. Same thing with that. See how dark? It's just too cold to go outside right now. I'm definitely staying indoors as much as I can. I'm not a fan of the winter, but if you guys are looking for a new flashlight, either the S28 or the S29. Really nice. Coming from SOFRIN. There you go. Really nice. And now, see, has a light there. This one's a little bit brighter. There you go. Alright, YouTubers, check them out. Links are going to be down below. Get these now. And you guys have a good night. Be safe.